Good morning, Oman. This is Chris Fisher on Merge 104.8. This morning, I was walking with my dog Lucy, looking at the beautiful scenery as the sun came up over the landscape and the mountains, and the following question popped into my mind. Is there any initiative to use the sun's power as a renewable energy in residential and commercial units? Let's discover that. Mr. Case Al-Zakwani, the CEO of Authority for Electricity Regulation, will answer my question. Good morning, Mr. Case. Is there any initiative to transform the sun's energy into electricity as a renewable power in residential and commercial units?
Good morning, Chris. Thank you for your question. The objective of this initiative is to enable customers to reduce their dependency on the grid as a primary source of electricity by installing grid-connected solar panels in their premises. Customers will then be able to generate their own electricity and in some cases also export electricity back into the grid. The authority commenced work on this initiative in late 2016 with the assistance of internationally recognized experts who assisted us in drafting the guidelines and engaged key stakeholders in the consultation process.
Thank you, Mr. Case. Now I'm joined by Mr. Hilal Al-Gaithi, the Deputy Director of Customer Affairs at the Authority of Electricity Regulation. Morning, Mr. Hilal. Can I install it in my own home, and what's the procedure?
Hello, Chris. Thank you for the call. Yes, of course you can. All customers in Oman will be allowed to install solar PV systems on their premises and connect to electricity distribution networks. Initially, the customer shall approach the electricity distribution company to select an approved solar contractor or consultant. Then the customer shall obtain all necessary approvals from the electricity company. These include acceptance of the solar PV initial inquiry, design approval to carry out electrical installation work. After completing the installation work, the customer shall notify the electricity company to conduct the technical inspection of the site and to complete the connection process. Finally, the customer shall sign an agreement with the electricity company to generate electricity from the solar PV system, sell any access to the grid, and then will be entitled to receive incentives.
Thank you, Mr. Halal, and finally welcome Mr. Abdullah Saeed, an Omani SME who specialises in renewable energy. So what's your role in the project, and what do you see the future of Omani SMEs in this initiative?
Hi, Chris. In fact, the Authority for Electricity Regulation has been keen to involve local small and medium enterprises and has decided to assign projects to connect solar panels to residential buildings to them. The authority has developed a specific practical approaches through the Distribution Code Review Panel for the training and qualifications required in order to be accredited for the installation of home solar panels in a safe manner. All of this will create new opportunities for everyone, of course, to start a project that everyone wishes and wants to contribute to.
Thanks, Mr. Abdullah, and to all of our callers this morning. Now we have a general idea. I'd like to wish the best of luck to the Authority for Electricity Regulation and have a nice day.